So this is the home page of the Jenkins. So let me create one job. Click on new item, first job. Click on freestyle project, click on OK, and click on build steps here, add build step, and click on execute shell. Provide here cal. I want to run this command, calculator command, cal 2025, and click on apply and save. Okay, next, right now I created one job. Okay, that job, when the job is executed, it will display the calendar actually. So right now we need to build that job. So click on here, build now. Okay, now the build will start here. First, this is our first build. So green means it's successful. Click here and go to console output. See, this is the console output. See here, cal 2025 is the command executed, and it displays the output like all the calendar for the year. You can see here. This is the way of running the job, building the job actually, creating the job and build the job. Okay, so my job is successful. See, finish is success. Like this, we will create the freestyle project. Now we will create one pipeline project also. Pipeline small demo we will do. I am giving pipeline demo. Click on OK. Okay, next you go below. You can see here pipeline, try sample pipeline. You can see here. Click here, and I want to go with hello world. Select hello world. See, this is a small pipeline, agent any, stages, stage, steps, echo, hello world. So this is a small pipeline script. Let's click on apply and save, and build this job also. So right now I am building this pipeline demo job. Click on build now. Okay, right now the build will start here. See, once it is successful, it will come in green color. See, successful. Click here. See, the pipeline console output is like this. Started by the user Venkata Durgara Palavasa, and this is the Jenkins home path, and in the Jenkins home path, workspace will be there, and all the jobs will be there in the pipeline demo. Okay. Next, what happened? The stages hello world got executed and finished successfully. So we have run today freestyle project and pipeline project. So thank you all. Thanks for watching.